English Vocabulary, Section 2. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments. Splash, noun, patch, streak. Recrimination, noun, accusation, countercharge. Forge, verb, form, create, set up. Misgiving, noun, qualm, doubt, lack of confidence. Praxis, noun, practice, action, process. Realpolitik, noun, realistic and practical politics, German word. Electorate, noun, people who have voting rights. Cynicism, noun, skepticism, negative thinking, disbelief. Quibble, verb, criticize, object, complain. Conviction, noun, belief, opinion, position. Flounder, verb, struggle, be confused, be in difficulties. Pivot, noun, center point, focal point. Incumbency, noun, the period in which, ruling party, officials in power. Squeamish, adjective, nervous, easily upset. Knit, verb, unite, combine, join together. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments.